Okay, so 2 videos in a row. So today's video, I'm actually not going to be working on the K-Truck. I'm going to be going to a Nike outlet. As you saw in yesterday's video, I went to Deer Park and I went to Woodbury Commons, and I bought a bunch of hoodies and a bunch of crew necks for the collection on December 13th, right? But there were these sneakers there, right? These $30 sneakers, and I was going to buy them, but I was like, I'm more focused on Wait for the Fame right now. I don't really care about things for myself, but right now I'm about to drive back, and if they have them, I'm definitely going to buy at least one for myself, and I'm going to see if it's possible to turn that into something Wait Before the Fame related. I'm not 100% sure yet, but that's the first thing we're going to do. I'm probably going to buy some more crew necks because it was only 5 per person. And then I'm also going to go to another outlet after that. And then maybe the clearance store in Flushing. So this video is going to be kind of the same as yesterday. I'm going to be doing a lot of Nike outlet stuff, showing you what they have there, showing you what I might buy, might not buy. And just that of the sort. So the reason I'm actually in the K-Truck is that I haven't started in about 2 weeks, and it's only gonna get colder and colder, so I just wanted to start it, let everything warm up a little bit, and then I'm gonna turn it off and get back in my daily. So these are shoes I was talking about. I think I'm actually gonna buy them. They have a bunch of sizes. I wish I could do something Wait for the Fame related, but it'll be kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie. So probably just gonna buy this really quickly. I'm gonna leave the store and go to the next outlet after. But they're a pretty comfortable shoe. If you're in New York, $35, 30% off, not a bad buy. $340 later, and I bought 13 items. I really thought I was just gonna come to this outlet, buy these kicks for $25, and life was gonna go on. But I said, you know what, fuck it. I believe in myself, I believe in Waiting for the Fame, and I believe in the supporters. So I got even more hoodies. I got a size run in the burgundy color that I really liked, and they didn't have them in the other stores, but for some reason they had it today. I got some more mustard colors, some more navy, and some more crew necks. So right now I'm about to go to one more outlet, see if they have something there. And if not, I think I'm pretty much good on the quantities for these hoodies. Like, I don't feel like I should buy any more. I still have the white jacket, and I still got the bags as well. So for right now, I'm done with hoodies. Right now I'm looking for something new, something to add to the collection. So now it's time to go to the next outlet. So I just got to Nike Oceanside. Let's hope I can find some things in here. Not very optimistic though, but let's go see what they got inside. All right, so I'm in the Nike. They don't really have anything. I might just buy this bag just to make myself feel good for coming all the way here. It's kind of like a cool bag. It's only $15 plus 30% off. But they don't have anything, and it's more expensive. Like, I just bought this book bag like I showed you guys. This same bag that I bought in the other store was only 15 bucks plus 30% off. Over here it's 40 plus 30% off. So this store unfortunately was an L. Probably not gonna come to Oceanside Nike a lot because they don't really have anything, and it's a small ass store, and it's more expensive. So Nike Oceanside at L. Might go to the one in Flushing right now. Keep you guys posted on that in a sec. So after I took that out of the Oceanside, I just went home. So I'm gonna show you guys a little more detailed look of everything I bought today. So like I said, I bought the Cruiser ones from Nike Outlet Deer Park. If you're in the New York City area, head over there. They're only 25 bucks. Very comfortable. They got the Nike React huge foam here, and then it has like this fleece, like fur type thing. So these should be a nice, cozy, just beater shoe for the winter. So I'm pretty happy about these. 25 bucks, can't really go wrong. And then it's kind of the same stuff as yesterday. I got some maroon hoodies. I got the peach crew neck, some more mustard, some more yellow. And then I got a black sweatsuit just to make a one of one. But that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm gonna upload this tonight so you guys can see 2 days in a row. And if you're watching this and you're actually into the K-Truck, I'm finally gonna get New York plates. I'm gonna get a New York registration, and this truck is gonna be ready to go. So good thing I actually started today because the DMV told me that my plates are ready to get picked up. So we're gonna work on the K-Truck tomorrow. Maybe I'll finally do some more things to it. And then I saw that my door bushing, someone told me that they actually put on backwards, so I'll probably do that tomorrow as well. Can you guess where we're going? Another Nike outlet. So I'm actually gonna go to the one in Flushing. I'm gonna go to Skyview Mall and see what they have there. And depending on the success of that place, I'm going to either go to Woodbury Commons to get that all over print Nike hoodie that I showed you guys like 2-3 videos ago, or I mean, just see what they have there in general, because I'm pretty content with what I had. Like I said in the other video, I know that video was pretty short, but I'm pretty content of what I have there. But I just feel like I want more. Like, I don't know the next time I'm gonna do a Nike collection. It's probably gonna be another year, you know what I mean? And the fact that I'm just conveniently doing it around Black Friday, like, I'm not gonna pretend that this was my whole plan the whole year. I just found those white jackets, and I was like, you know what, this white jacket is so fire that I just have to buy everything. So I'm gonna hope and see if they got something at this clearance store. This isn't a factory store, so they only have 10% off your whole purchase instead of 30. But the prices usually are little lower than the actual factory store. So let's see what they have there. Hopefully they got something. If they don't, it is what it is. I'm gonna see how my mood is. I don't really feel like driving an hour and a half to Woodbury Commons right now, but I'll do it for the culture. So see you guys in a sec. Moment of truth. Let's see if I can find something in here. If not gonna be the happiest camper. So it's looking like a big W right now. I wanted to come to Nike to find something that I couldn't find in different stores, and they have these beanies for 10 bucks, and with 10% off it's gonna be $9. And I'm really liking this purple one. As you can see, has like that double swoosh. So I'm really liking this, and I think I'm gonna get this black gray charcoal color. I was gonna get all three, but I don't really have anything blue. Like the hoodies are navy, they're not this blue, so I don't want to throw it off. But I'm really liking this gray, so I'm gonna buy 5 of each because that's the most I can buy, and I'm gonna leave these blue ones. But besides that, I'm not really finding anything just yet, but I'm gonna continue to look around. Some shoes highlights are, I think these are pretty fire. I think that these are pretty fire. These are 40 bucks plus 10% off, so that's $36. Like, come on, you can't really go wrong with that. These are 60, so those are still 54. It's kind of a lot. I mean, not really, but what else they got? Oh, I thought these were 6s. I was about to say, I didn't want to pull those out. That's how terrible they are. You got these Air Maxes. I showed you guys these last time. If you're a fan of Tailwinds, this is place for you. They got this pink infrared colorway. They got this blue colorway for 50. And they got this camo. They got this camo colorway for 60. But like I said, Nike Skyview always has the good sneaker steals. It's one of the rare ones that actually have good sneakers. It's not like the other ones that just have trash, like shit like this. So I think I'm gonna leave. Some really big honorable mention is this crew neck right here. It's like the weirdest thing I've ever seen. It says Nike Sports down here, and it has like this little stash pocket. It has like mesh on this side, like, and it's super cozy. But it's $30, and with 10% off it'd be $27, which isn't bad. I was paying that much for hoodies, but it kind of doesn't go with my collection. I might just buy one for myself, but this little Nike sport piece is pretty fire. And of course, blank canvas, so I fuck with it even more. All right, so now we're at Nike in Brooklyn. This one is a community store, and they actually be having some things in here. So let's walk inside this Nike and see what they got. They got these cool ice colored crew necks next to the salmon ones I bought yesterday, but I'm kind of happy that I'm just gonna go with loud colors. They also have that crimson, like red hoodie that I really like, but I feel like I already have burgundy, navy, yellow. I'm not really trying to get more colors. I am gonna buy this one jacket for myself, and I'm gonna exchange this hoodie that I got yesterday. But besides that, I don't really have anything. Something I do like for myself also is this NYC Parks Nike fleece. It's a little too loud in my opinion, but if it was like a solid black, this would be fire. They never really have good shoes here either. They got some Kyrie's. Oh, they actually have some jerseys though. If you're a Brooklyn Nets fan, come look at these jerseys they got. So they got the Chicago Kyrie All-Star in blue, and they also got it in red. They have the Biggie jersey too. The bedside Coogee jersey. This is kind of fire too. It's only 50 bucks too. I actually might entertain this. Then they also have it in black as well. But like I said, besides that, there's nothing really for WayBeforeTheFame here, so I'm probably just gonna get out of here. So my phone and GoPro actually end up dying inside of Nike, but I didn't end up buying that jacket. What I did end up buying are 4 of these jerseys. So these are the Biggie Coogee inspired Brooklyn Nets jerseys. We all know that the Brooklyn Nets bandwagon is soon to start, and these jerseys were only $35. And these are like official swingman jerseys. Let me show you guys the price tag. So as you see, retail is actually $175, and they were $50 plus 30% off. So for 35 bucks, I said, why not? I'm just gonna buy 4 of them. I'll probably just give them to my friends or something. I'm not sure if this is actually ever gonna hit the site, but you know how some teams have like the logo right here? Like the Lakers have Wish. I'm gonna put WayBeforeTheFame here, so it's gonna look kind of cool having like the Nike here, and then I'm gonna embroider like something WBTF. I'm not just gonna put WayBeforeTheFame. I'm gonna do it in a more creative way. But I got 3 larges and 1 XL. I know my friends are most likely gonna want to buy it, but if these do hit the site, hop on them right away. I'm probably gonna sell them for cheap because it's just a cool, nice little touch. But that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. I'm happy I didn't have to drive all the way to Woodbury Commons, even though I probably would have found some more things. But like, I'm not trying to dig my debt hole that deep. I'm really happy with the beanies I got. I'll show you guys them one more time. So this is the purple one. As you see, it has like the 2 swooshes, and it just goes completely around. This is fire. I'm probably gonna have Way for the Fame right here, or I'll put it on the back, so if you want to wear it like this in the back, you'll just see the lines, and this could be the Nike side. I really fuck with this beanie. And then I got just a classic, you know, pom-pom beanie, nice and gray, has like that charcoal color, already has a Nike embroidered. What I'm gonna now do is put Way for the Fame on this side. And this is also like, you know, a simple piece. Like I just wanted to get things that were different. I haven't even showed you guys, oh no, I did show you guys the book bags, but now I have book bags, hoodies, crew necks, beanies, that white jacket, and that's enough. That's 5 pieces that come in a couple different colors, so I'm not really mad about it right now. I think the collection is completely done. My next couple videos are probably going to be going to the shop after Thanksgiving, showing you guys a complete breakdown, showing you guys how much I spend, because I really want to show you guys the behind the scenes, because I do this a lot, but I don't show the behind the scenes part. So I hope you guys appreciate this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. But I'm gonna get out of here, go home, get some food. Peace.